How to make anime AI art. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. And it is absolutely free. All you have to do is just search for C art on Google. After that, open up very first link that you will see on the search results. Just open it up, and after that all you have to do is just log into this account. You can use your Google account and you would be able to sign in quite easily. After that, since we want anime arts, so you can explore the anime arts over here that are already present. We can try these simple models and further generate our images using these models. So just explore it if you want to. There are some really good ones over here you can explore, and suppose you want to try some of the model according to your imagination, then you can just simply select it and click on try in order to try it. But if you want to start it from the scratch, just simply click on this option of AI painting. Now over here you can type the command in the prompt section. Here you can give prompt. So I tried this simple one with no technicalities in it at all, just plain English, and it gave me these results. These are quite good, not bad at all. Just some tweaks can be done and it would look quite fine. So now let's explore the settings. Here you can see that there is different parameters. You can leave them to the default, it's completely fine. And in the model section, when you click on it, there will be some options, but when you click on this option of choose more, you would be provided with better options. So just click on this option of explore more, and over here you will be able to find different models that you can use and further create more images similar to those. So just select any of the model that you want to use, and you can also add the favorite models and the models that you create for yourself. So you can also add the favorite one, and the models that has been recently used by you will appear over here. So just select the model. Suppose I want to use this one, so I will just select the model over here. Now in the LORA option, this particular AI has not been trained to upload certain images or make certain images like particular animal or maybe some object. So you can provide a reference to it by just clicking on this option of LORA. By just clicking on this LORA and provide some reference to it. This way you would be able to create a more realistic image according to your prompt. Now let's explore further. Over here you can select the quantity of your images, whether you want 2 or 3. I selected 2 over here, that's why I got 2. Now in the image mode you will be able to see 3 different one. The ultra high quality, and the current one that you are actually seeing right now is of high quality. So ultra high quality might be even better than this one. Now you can choose the image size. There are some sizes available. You can use portrait one also, and in the advanced settings you will be able to find some more options for you, like the negatives. You can add some negatives, the stuff that you don't want in your images, so you can add it over here. And this CFG scale will actually help you out in making your command more realistic to the AI generation. The higher the amount of this CFG scale, the lower will be the creativity by AI. So if you want more creativity from the AI, just simply reduce the number of it. And this way you would be able to provide more flexibility to the AI. And you can explore further for different options. Now when you generate an AI art over here, you get different options like variations. If you want to generate some variations of it, you can simply select it. And if you want to upscale this particular image, then just simply select this option of U. And if you want the HD image of the art that you just generated, you can simply select this option. And this way you would be able to make anime AI art. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.